Kinney photographer, I get excited when someone announces that new products are on the horizon. So when my buddy Kenny at Pictureline told me about Canon's new flagship camera, the EOS R3, I had to stop by and check it out for myself. The R3 is a substantial camera that feels great in my hands, and it's not as heavy as one would think just looking at it. It feels solid, like I could go to war with it and not think twice about such a high-tech piece of gear strapped on my side. It's a true professional's camera, one that shoots an astounding 30 raw images per second, and I knew exactly where I wanted to go to put it through its paces. Canon is known for an amazingly wide array of excellent lenses, so when my friend Stephanie told me about two new budget-friendly RF lenses, I was intrigued. A new 16mm prime and a 100 to 400mm zoom sounded like the perfect combination for some birding photography I was itching to do. So with my new gear in hand, it was time to go to work. When you think of Utah, race car driving is not the first thing that comes to mind. Fact is, we have one of the world's great racetracks just 30 minutes west of Salt Lake City, and with Canon's new EOS R3 in hand, I was excited to photograph the Porsche Club of America as they held a rally at the Utah Motorsports Campus. It was a real rush to watch these beautiful race cars make their way around the track, and the R3 had no problem keeping up. With the new vehicle detection mode, the R3's improved dual-pixel Cmos AF had no problem locking onto a car and keeping each image tack sharp. And I'm talking each image 30 images a second, while a car was racing toward me at over 100 miles per hour. With up to 8 stops of shake correction, an incredible ISO range, and a back-illuminated stacked 24.1 megapixel sensor, shooting handheld in a garage was just as effortless with the cars standing still as when they were flying by me at breathtaking speed. I was impressed with the realistic colors the sensor rendered, and each image I captured brought me right back to that incredible experience. No Porsche was too fast for the R3, and I walked away with over 6,000 images in just a few hours. Finding just the right moments from that day was a piece of cake, and I was thrilled to add so many great images to my portfolio. Slowing things down a bit, I grabbed my Canon R6 and stopped by the Tracy Aviary in Salt Lake City. The Tracy Aviary is one of the oldest and largest aviaries in the U.S. It was the perfect place to try out Canon's new RF 100 to 400mm IS USM lens and the new RF 16mm F2.8 STM. Both lenses are extremely compact, lightweight, and incredibly sharp. Birds are one of my favorite subjects to shoot. I'm fascinated by the endless variety of shapes, sizes, and colors of our feathered friends. For less than $700, I was so impressed with the RF 100 to 400mm IS USM. The variable aperture of f5.6 to f8 was plenty wide enough to capture some great images, even in the rainforest exhibit where the light was not as bright. With up to 6 stops of image stabilization, I was able to shoot a shutter speed of 250th of a second with the aperture wide open and the ISO set on auto. Image after image was sharp, full of vivid colors and fine detail. So whether I want to photograph Porsches flying down a rainy racetrack or colorful birds of the Amazon, singing in the rainforests of Salt Lake City, Canon continues to create some amazing cameras and lenses that I'm proud to have in my camera bag.